Hey there, I'm Nikesh from Tech Basics, and today we are diving into a quick tutorial on how to download BOC Bank application, which is also known as Bank of Ceylon. First of all, make sure that you are connected to the internet. After that, find App Store and click on it. In the search bar, type in BOC and then hit search. Scroll down a little bit till you see this icon and click on it. This is an application which is published by Bank of Ceylon. Now click on Get. After that, you need to verify with your Face ID, fingerprint or an passcode. After the verification is done, your download will be started shortly. When the download is completed, click on Open and then agree the terms and conditions of this application. And then you can use the BOC banking application. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Remember to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries. Thank you.